In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can like the game and join the group here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. If we could help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you're in the game right now, you do have to leave. So select the little Roblox icon, hit leave just like so, and hit leave one more time. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you need to select the game page itself. And what you're looking for is the little like button on here. So go ahead and select that to like it. You can also favorite it if you want as well by hitting favorite. And then just scroll down on here and you're looking for a little developer tab that looks like this. Select that tab and then hit join community. And that's going to be the game's group itself. After joining, you can go back into the game again just by scrolling up, hitting play, and that's really the entire process. It really is as simple as that. The game's not going to recognize that you liked and joined the group, and of course, you can get some extra rewards for doing so. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.